Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afrina Firzana. Today, my partner and I will present trends in cholera cases and death with common symptoms in Africa. So this is my partner, which is Aisha Naziha binti Arifin, and beside her is me, Nur Afrina Firzana binti Osman. Okay, first is the introduction. So what is cholera? Cholera, often referred to as the blue death, is an acute diarrheal infection caused by consuming food or water contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholera. So this communicable disease can lead to severe mortality, potentially resulting in death within hours of transmissions if not treated promptly. So cholera outbreaks have emerged as a significant global health concern as highlighted by the World Health Organization, which is as known as WHO, which reported cases in 29 countries since January 2023. Alarmingly, 19 of these countries are situated in Africa, which is a region particularly vulnerable due to high transmission rates. So, for this presentation, we'll examine the trends in cholera cases and death over the years in Africa, as well as highlight the common signs and symptoms of the disease.
Okay, next is the interpretation of the bar graph. The first bar graph is about the cholera cases and death in Africa reported from WHO from 1 January until 31st December 2024. The total number of cases and deaths from regions such as Cameroon, Malawi, Burundi, Ghana, Uganda, and others were represented in the form of bar graph so that it is easier for us to interpret. As we can see, the highest number of cases was reported from Democratic Republic of Congo with the cases of 31,135 cases, and then followed by Ethiopia with 37,066 number of cases. South Africa recorded the lowest cases with only 11 and no death. But interestingly, the region with the most cases was not the one with the most death. Nigeria reported the highest fatalities with 726 deaths, exceeding the 430 deaths in Democratic Republic of Congo, even though Democratic Republic of Congo reported higher number of cases compared to Nigeria.
Okay, next is the bar graph. The bar graph shows the signs and symptoms of cholera cases in Toro Arua, Africa in May 2034 until June 2034. So based on the bar graph, the most common symptom was diarrhea, which occurred in all 93 cases, representing 100% of those infected. So this is expected as diarrhea is the hallmark symptoms of cholera. Next, the second most frequently reported symptom was vomiting, experienced by 48 cases or 51.6% of the patients. Following that, fever was reported in 20 cases, which makes up 21.5%, and abdominal cramps were noted in 15 cases, or 16.1%, while headache was the least reported symptoms, occurring in 10 cases, or 10.8% of the patients. Now, moving on to the epidemiological indicators of the outbreak. So the Toro Arua community has a total population of 2,000 residents, and out of these, 93 individuals were confirmed to have cholera, resulting in an attack rate of 4.7%. And the community also recorded 7 deaths, which gives a case fatality rate of 7.5%. And this figure highlights the severity of the outbreak and the importance of early detection, proper hydration, and rapid public health response to control the spread.
So in conclusion, it is crucial to look at cholera from two main angles. The first one is how it spreads over time, and the second one is how it appears in patients. By studying the yearly case and death records across Africa helps to identify trends, peak periods, and areas that are most affected. And at the same time, by understanding the symptoms commonly seen in patients such as those reported in Nigeria, can help to support early diagnosis and better treatment. These two perspectives give clear understanding of cholera in Africa and help improve public health actions, speed up outbreak responses, and protect communities at risk. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.